Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Moonshine Mani's 2 weeks notice. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 as my base coat. And this is Moonshine Mani's 2 weeks notice. It's from the Dupe It project. It's so pretty. So I'm going to go in with my first coat. And it's doing pretty good on the first coat. It's a little thick, but most of Moonshine Mani's polishes are that way. If you don't like them thick, it's just a couple of drops of thinner and you're good to go. I don't do that because I like them thick. I'm going to cap my free edge here real quick. There we go, first coat done. And now for a second coat. Now this polish is a dupe for Butter London's two-fingered salute. Or three-fingered, no, two-fingered salute. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so we can do some playing, some stamping. There we go. There we go. Going to cap my free edge with that too. So there we have it. There's a photo of it on its own. I'll be using Maniology MXM042 today. My Conad stamper and scraper from Maniology. And this is Coppered Hair Girl by Hit the Bottle. It's a favorite for sure. I saw Guyleen using it for years, and then my friend Miss Becky sent it to me, so I am loving having this in the collection. So I'm going to use a couple of images off this plate. But first I got to clean that stamper off on my lint roller. I'm going to use these two that are side by side. They're kind of like opposites. One's like a, I don't know, more open, one's more closed. I just figured I'd play with it and see how I like them. And I do really like it. So I do have some sinus issues, so if I sound a little stuffy, that's typical for this time of year for me. And I decided I had to use these like pumpkins. Just, they were calling to me. Really do like them. And so I like that this plate's got the reverse kind of images. I don't know that they're exactly the same, but they do have similar vibes going on. So that's what I went with. So I could kind of like frame those two nails out with similar. And there we go. So I'm going to clean my plate off with pure acetone and wipe it down with a paper towel. Get it all nice and clean before we put it away. Clean the little mat there too. Works out pretty good. Now I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up this excess polish off of my skin. And there was a little bit hanging off the end of that nail, so grab it with the tape too. And then now for a little bit of cleanup with my cleanup brush. Get all the way around and under. Very nice. Good cleanup. Nice, tight, clean lines. I'm going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And I have to say, I really love this one. I love the color combination and the images. There we go. And now that that's dry, I'm going to be topping it all with some Poshe top coat. Y'all know this is my preferred favorite top coat, especially for finishing. Cap that free edge. And get Woody out here to clean up my mess. Hi Woody, how you doing? So that is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.